Hi guys, welcome to part 2. Okay, we just stopped off at 110. We're gonna go now into 111, all right? And then I'm gonna skip a few so that you guys can work on those on your own. I don't think you need me to play every single one of those, but I'm giving you an idea how to play the next one, okay? So I'm gonna stop at 111 and then we're gonna go on to the next page. Here we go, 111, smooth sailing. 1, 2, ready, and... Okay, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna skip the next ones. The next ones are same idea with the slurring the notes, slurring 2 notes together. Now, a couple of them below is gonna be skipping strings, skipping to the next string. So D to A to D, and hopefully you'll be able to figure that out. Same idea, just different string. If you are not able to, if you need a little extra help, make sure you reach out to me via email with rachelfong@rcs.edu. If you want a Zoom time, that is the best way to ask for a Zoom time and to be able to schedule with me a Zoom time for you guys. Okay, we're gonna move on to page 30. Page 30. Now we're incorporating our 8th notes. Oh boy, this looks a little bit scary, but I know you guys can do it. Okay, I'm gonna play 116 for you. And if you are ready to play along with me, great. If not, just listen and then go back when you are ready to play. When you're during your practice times, go back and play this video so that you can play along with me. Okay, here we go. 116. It's on an up bow on the 4th beat. So I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3. We come in on 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to play it slightly slower for you guys in case you need a slower pace. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, there we go. Number 117. 117. 1, 2, ready, and... Oh, sorry. Let's rewind a little bit. I'll start one more time. I was looking ahead of myself. 1, 2, beginning at 117. This is something new for us. Dici al fine, full name is da capo al fine. Da capo means to go back to the beginning and play till fine. What does fine mean? Fine means finish. It's the Italian word for finish. So dici al fine, go back to the beginning. And then on the first line, you see the double bar line. Double bar line means what? The end. Very good. Double bar line means the end. And so does fine. Well, fine means finish. So we're gonna go back to the beginning now and play till fine. So pretend we just finished that second line and we just saw the da capo al fine. Now we're gonna go back to the beginning. Very nice. All right, 118, we have 2 parts. I'm gonna play both parts for y'all and so that you can play both parts. And for your homework or for when you're practicing, what I want you to do is, even though we're learning both parts, I want you to play against both parts. So go back in this video, just rewind after you're done with your first part. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to play part A. And with that part A, you're going to learn part A, as well as after you learn part B, you're going to play against part A by playing part B. And then I'm going to play part B so that you can learn part B, and then rewind so that you can play against part B by playing part A. Okay? So you'll have a little bit of fun with that. I'm going to play it slower. I'm not going to play it up to speed just because this is our first time. Maybe I'll play it again next week, or sorry, in 2 weeks for my next video. But here we go. Learn part A and part B with me, and then use that to play against it. Then you could kind of have like a mini duet at home, so that should be fun. Okay, here we go. 118, letter A, and 1, 2, 3. Rest. Rest. And we have that tie note at the end, a dotted quarter note with, I'm sorry, not a dotted quarter, a dotted half note connected to a quarter note. So a dotted half note has 3 beats, a quarter note has 1 beat. 3 plus 1, what does that equal to? 4. So you're gonna hold that last note for 4 counts, okay guys? Okay, here we go. Part B. 1, 2, ready, and. Rest. Rest. Very nice. All right, let's go to 31. 31, we're building up our G major scale. I want you to practice all those. Let's go over 119 together, then we're gonna go over 122 together, and then 124. Okay, here we go. 119, 1, 2, ready, and. And I think I said 122 because now we're practicing more with slurs. 122. 1, 2, ready, and. If you notice in measure 1, 2, 3, 4th measure, 122, we have slur for the first 2 notes, and then no more slur after that, so it's going to be separate. Separate, separate. Slur, separate, separate. Okay? Now 124, we have 8th notes. Ready? 1, 2, ready, and. Watch out for that fingering for all of them. Make sure you need it, write it in. Be my guest, write it in. I'm not saying write it in for every single note, but go ahead and write it in for the ones that are a little bit tricky. Jingly nona. First and second ending idea again there. Okay, and let's see. And I said we were going to stop there for today. Okay, last one, 125. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. boys and girls. I hope that was helpful for you this week. So remember, your new pages is page 29 to 31, and as well as those big ones back in pages 22 to 28. So I'm not saying practice all of page 22 to 28, but just certain ones, and I'll have in the description box below, just letting you know which ones I would still like you to continue practicing, and just a few review things to remember. It'll again be all in the description box below. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Again, I miss you guys. I wish I could see you all, but it'll be a little tricky on Zoom for all. I think there's 10 of us to play violin with. So just send me some videos if you don't mind. I just want to see you guys, see how you're doing. And again, if you have any questions, make sure you email me, set a Zoom time with me, and I'll try to schedule you and see you then. But yeah, again, stay safe. Miss Fong misses you, and I'll see you again in 2 weeks. Bye.